Hi friends, welcome to Na's Kitchen. I hope we're all keeping safe. Today I have a very quick smoothie to make. It's a banana mango smoothie. I hope you're inspired to try it. What's the ingredients to make this? I have a cup of almond milk here. You can choose Greek yogurt or any yogurt of your choice. I choose almond milk. I have one large mango. I have about a thumb size of ginger to enable digestion, and I have one large banana. So let's get started. Okay, so I have everything transferred into my bullet. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. So that's it. So easy. I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in my glass. That's it, friends. Our banana mango smoothie.